Let's talk about a custom speech and how to test the model that we previously created. For this service, we will build a language model. The model will be used to handle the pronunciation of some specific Italian food names, which have a particular accent. Let's take a quick look to our model data. So, we provided a language dataset with a few sample utterances that the users might use in the conversations. Additionally, we added a pronunciation dataset to improve the pronunciation for a couple of cases, which are calzone and risotto. The pronunciation of these words is different from English to Italian. Let's take a look at this difference. For that, we will use a Bing translator, and let's take a quick look at how calzone is actually pronounced in Italian.
Calzone.
Calzone. So notice a difference in the accent. Let's try our other sample word, risotto.
Risotto.
Risotto. It actually sounds a little bit different. So keep this in mind as we will need to use the Italian accent to test our custom speech model. Great. Now let's go back to Visual Studio and take a quick look to what we had to do in order to enable the custom speech in our bot. I already did the configuration for the custom endpoint in here, and I'm also using the speech subscription key. This is an unified subscription key that allows us to use different speech features using the same subscription. So it makes really easy to use either the regular speech service or the custom speech. So to continue with our testing, I already deployed this bot to Azure. So let's give it a try and see it in action. Let's click the speech preview and try one of our sample words. Do you have calzone?
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Okay, it didn't pick it up as expected. Now let's use our custom speech model, which has an optimization for this specific case. Do you have calzone?
We sell calzones only Fridays.
That's great, a lot better. Now let's try our other sample word. Do you have risotto?
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Now let's try with the custom speech. Do you have risotto?
We have a large selection of risottos in our menu. Our recommendation is risotto ai funghi.
That's great. And we get a response from the Q&A maker service, which is the model that it's picking up these utterance. So this looks better, and we can actually see that the speech service improved the way it was understanding these two words. Now, by using a custom model, we were able to extend and improve the speech model and provide a better output for a specific business scenario.